Hello, students. You're gonna create your Chinese name today. So you're gonna sign into Google Classroom. Um, you're gonna look at a post that I have post says resources. It's a Google Doc. So I posted on September 28th in this class. And so check and see, what date I posted, but it should say resources. Click on it. You're going to look at number 7, this Chinese name generator. You're going to click that and open a new tab. When you get here, you're going to type your given name. Given name means your first name. So type your first name. I'm going to use Stephanie. Family name is your last name. And then right here, desired. Basically, this is like the characteristic or skills that you want to have in your name. Like your name may sound like something says wealth or fortune, beauty and appearance related, mind and intelligence, strength and powered. So click on that and then they generate characters that base it on these topics. I'm gonna just leave it the way it is. And then gender, you choose your gender if you prefer to choose it, or you can just leave it alone. It doesn't really matter. Birthday, put your birthday, but I'm going to just leave it. Oh, you know what? I'll put my birthday, May 3rd, and then the year. I'm gonna just leave it that. Um, then you're gonna click get a name. It's gonna show that sometimes. Just send anyway. So when you generate a name, it has 3 characters. There's a paper that I post to explain, usually Chinese name has 2 characters. The first character is usually your last name, and then the next 2 is given name. That means your name, your first name. Even though it's just like middle character, last character, it kind of confuses you like that. Don't look at that. So again, first character is your last name. Next 2 will be your first name. Then after you create this, you're going back to the resource folder. You're going to type this out. To do that, you're going to go to Google Translate. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to click Google Translate. Since usually when you create a name here in this website, it's traditional Chinese that it's created. So it's traditional Chinese character. What you're going to do is you're going to right here, detect language. Don't, I will say click right here. Mine already have it. I want you to click Chinese traditional, but if you don't know how to do it, there's an arrow on the right side. You're gonna scroll down. You're gonna see right here. There's Chinese traditional. And then after you click that, you're gonna go here. Make sure you're gonna choose on over here as well to find simplified Chinese. The reason why is because I want you to be able to see both, whether like how the Chinese character is traditional character and simplify how it looks, the similarity and differences between those two. And you can choose which one you want to write, whether you want to stay, oh, I like the traditional character because it looks nice, or I like the simplify because it looks simple. So to do that, you're going to click on the arrow down. Since you click Chinese traditional, there's a couple of options where you can type Chinese. The best way, it's pinyin. So you're gonna type out using pinyin, or you can use the writing tool right here. You can try your best to write the character out. Like get it and write it, and then it will pair right here. If you let's say my last name is Lee, right? So it's not the correct order, but hey, I'm gonna try my best to write that character down. But even haven't finished, I already see my last name right there. So I can click on it, or I can finish writing it, and it's gonna show the first one. And then after that, um, after you choose that, sometimes it doesn't work. So you have to maybe try the pinyin. So I'm gonna look at this document because this is the name that's generated. I'm gonna, make it smaller so you can see. So this character and the pinyin is right here, Lu, and it doesn't have a tone mark right here. By the way, if you click on the blue, click on it, it downloads the document, like downloads the sound, it pronounces it for you. So I'm gonna just try it so that you can see what it is. So when I click on it, Lu, right? So it will tell you the pronunciation of this character. So I type out LU. If you don't see it, you see there's arrows right here. Just click next. And if you check, is it there? No, right? And click on the arrow down. Keep clicking until you see something like that. So I don't see it right now. Maybe I missed it already. I'm not sure. So just keep clicking. Usually show more, but now it's 5 characters. So there's a lot of sound that starts with this, apparently, right? Okay, I think I just passed. Missed it. See, you see number 4 right there? Then you can press number 4 on your keyboard, or you can click on it like that. And then it will, oh, what did I do? I didn't click on it, so that means I have to go back again. So I know that it's all the way on, like, I don't even know how many times I pressed this. But do you see it? That's number 4, so I'm gonna press 4. And I press space again. Hopefully it deletes that. So that's the first character. If you look at the simplified character, I'm going to open it up a little bit. Do you see the difference? This one has an extra line right there, and this one, it doesn't show that line. So that's the difference. It's just one line. But sometimes there's more difference. So that's first character. Do you see on the bottom right here? It's not supposed to sound like Lu. It's supposed to be Lu. Lu. And then the second character, same thing. You're gonna try the same thing. Xion. So make sure it's still like this character right there says input, like pinging input. So it's Xiong. Then if you see, is it this one? Yeah, look at that, number 3. So I'm gonna press 3 on the keyboard. And last character, remember you click here to listen to the sound. Last is TAN. So check and see if there's let me see. I found it, number 2. Press 2 on the keyboard, and I'm gonna open this up. What you're gonna do is you're going to copy the character. So you like this traditional character. It looks like they look the same. The only difference between this and that is just that one little line. So let's say I like the simplified character. You're gonna go here, Control C to make sure that's working. Control C, and then you're gonna go to the resource. Oh, actually go back to the classroom. I posted a file right here to put your Chinese name. So don't click here. Click on the link above, like right under in there instead of that attachment. So click on here so it opens up like this. If you click here, it's gonna show like this and you're not gonna be able to edit that. So you're gonna go back and make sure you click on this link. And when it opens, let's say this is me right here. Then you're gonna control V to paste that character there. And then don't close the tab yet. You're gonna go back here. If you look right here, the ping is right underneath. It's on both sides. You're gonna copy that too. So control C for copy and then right click. You can also do that as well. And I'm gonna copy and paste it here. And that's it. And you're done with the Chinese name assignment. You can also, if you want, write it down on the paper that I gave you. The paper should look something like this. Okay, it explains what a Chinese name is. Please read this. And then, this is the link that you generate your Chinese name. That's the same link that I have in number 7 in that resource folder. And then make sure, the name, don't just like create once, get a name once um and if you don't like the name, don't like the way it sounds to you, don't click it again. Just fill in the information very quickly and regenerate the name again. If has a meaning that you like and it doesn't look too hard to write. So these are some of the things that when you choose a name, check this. Does it sound nice to you? Does it have a nice meaning that you like? And does it look like it's something easy to write or is not too hard for you to write your name? Because you're going to be writing your name on every assignment, guys. So let's see. Let me go back. Okay, so this link right here And again, it has the meaning right here. Usually last name do not have a meaning because last name, but on the second two characters, like for your first name, it has a meaning. Like Xiong means hero, and then Tan is flat, smooth, and like if you like the meaning, take it. If you don't, then just go back or refresh the page one more time. Then we enter the information again and get a name.